Make a great choice today with 2021 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.